Welcome everyone, my name is David and this is Blue Line Garage. What I will be doing is I'm going to be doing a product view on the TopDon artiDiag 600s. Now they're not paying me for this review, I'm not obtaining any type of specialties, I'm just basically doing this on my own to inform you, the customers, okay? So I did a whole bunch of research online and this basically a vehicle scanner is probably one of the best ones out there for a DIY guy. Okay, it's not for a professional shop, things like that, but it does do a lot of good things compared to other products like the Blue Driver Pro Scan Tool, which I've been using. I'm going to talk about the differences between this one and this. Now I haven't opened this up yet, but I wanted to open it up with you guys at home. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. The box itself is great. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's made overseas. Gives you all the product information on the back. Gives you a parts list, the specs, and then also a serial number, which is good. It does oil reset, brake reset, BMS reset, SAS reset, that's going to be like your airbag, your anti-brake, stuff like that, which is great because that's what a lot of people want it for. Also, you know, it says here the engine, ABS, oil, seatbelt. It does a lot. It does a lot. So let's go ahead and open this thing up.
What have we put over there?
Santa Claus probably.
And let me see how I can get this up to you here. Okay, so this is everything that is in the box. Does not come with a container or a bag. It basically just like this. Now, some of them actually has the screw-on clip here, but this is actually the next version up, which is hard tied in there, which is great. Just because when you actually connect the pin clip in here, it does move, it does break. After a while, you're gonna end up wanting to change it. So let's see here. So it says, please peel off this marker after application's completed. So this is 2. Where's 1? I think 1 was opening up the box. All right, and as you can see, there is no place to plug this in except for the side. So you're gonna have to open up this port, and it's basically an S cable to a USB. All right, so let's pop this thing open and find the port. There we go. All right, so in here, it's gonna have a mini SD port and should have your charging port right there, like so. Okay, but if for some reason, let's say you haven't charged this, but you still in a rush and you wanna work on a car, it will still pull power from the vehicle itself and will still do the scan with no issues. All right, let's see if it turns on just the way it is. Where's the, all right, the power button is here on the left side. All right, it does turn on. Now, I actually have another product of TopDon. That's why I wanted this one, because I do have the TopDon battery checker here. All right, and this is the TopDon BT 100, which I highly recommend getting. It's probably around 50 bucks or so. And I've used it so many times and it's great. It basically is going to tell me if my battery is good, if it needs to be charged, or if it's bad altogether. Now it actually checks the cranking amps, if it's a gel battery or not. There's actually a lot of settings in here. It will also check your alternator too, as well to see if the alternator is working. Just this itself feels solid. These clips feel absolutely solid. And I actually bought a container at Harbor Freight, which looks like this, and I store this into this case. So I will be going next time to Harbor Freight and finding a case that would fit this. All right, so let's see. So this is the first time setting it up, which is the language. We click OK. Let's see, next. So it says time zone. We'll do the Phoenix time zone because that's where I'm located. All right, so let's turn this off and turn it back on. All right, and as you could see, the airbag light has been gone. Awesome. So I'm telling you guys right now, this OBD reader is probably one of the best I ever did. It scans everything. It also does ignition and fuel ratios. It does a lot of stuff, and I am highly impressed. You could even pick just American cars here. It's great, and it's always updating. It doesn't charge you for anything. I like this one. It's some maintenance. You could erase. The best thing is you could even rescan the tires off of this, which is great. Like the update, you could go down and you could choose what to update. And some of these here, as you can see, I paused because they're foreign cars. I don't need foreign cars on here. I had an issue with a BMW one. I'll just restart it. But other than that, this is a great machine right here. So I highly recommend this one, the TopDon unit here. So other than that, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you get future videos, and I hope this has helped you out in determining if you purchase one or not. Peace out.